Seiji officially starts school today. I'm gonna be crying, I'll just forewarn you.
Today is due.
Baby started school. This girl here is officially starting school this week. I'm not gonna lie, I have a guilty pleasure of buying cute kids clothes. I love it more than shopping for myself. I never thought I would say that, but Sage, we got so many fun stuff. She's literally outgrown everything, so we had to restock. Mommy. Close your eyes. Don't look. Hang on. Don't look. Open your eyes. You like it? It's rainbows and pink. Might have to loosen it up a bit. Here, see. I just need to pop in here quickly because that little tiny backpack that I got, yeah, that's not big enough. This is why everyone gets the big, like looking like a turtle backpack for their kindergartners, because it doesn't fit anything. When I actually went to, I felt like such an idiot. I was so excited about it. I spent so much money on it. Like, it was so overpriced. And when I actually tried to put the lunchbox and her water bottle and her extra clothes and everything that they need for their first date, nothing fit. And so I returned that one and I got just a basic JanSport one. This is actually, I got it from Staples. It was like 55 bucks on sale for $34.95. Holds everything. I guess I just thought that they're a little person, like they need a small backpack, but no, it's all the stuff that they also need to bring with them to school, and you don't want to have like multiple bags with them. So get yourself a proper size backpack to fit all of their back to school needs. I don't want you to think that I kept that overpriced mini backpack. So cute, love the brand, but next time I'll get the regular size. New mom, first time going back to school with my daughter. Okay, H&M. Some stuff I got in person, some stuff I got online.
That for me.
Yes, little, look, for you, a little polka dot dress. We're gonna bring you guys along as we are prepping for her first day of school this week.
That for me.
Yeah, look.
Pants.
Let's show. This one's a little like dress. H&M is so great for basics. Like they do these packs where you can get long sleeves, short sleeves, long pants. And that's what I did.
My shorts.
I got those. So these are just some nice basic long sleeves. Then we got stuff from Old Navy, which weird thing happened. First we went to them in store, and then the next day I saw that everything was 40% off online. So I like returned stuff and ordered online. I don't know if you can hear me. We got a lavender tracksuit. When I'm shopping for a Stage, I like to think of kind of a color scheme, or just make sure things go together, because I don't want to have like a bunch of clothes and not have complete outfits kind of thought out. And it just makes it easier for like Matt and I to get her ready in the morning, or for her to pick out her clothes herself now, because she likes to get dressed herself. And then we got some fun pieces too, but like this is like really fun colored, but it'll go with the lavender. This little cardigan. Sage, you want to try that on? Try that one on. Seems like a lot, but honestly, like all her stuff that we bought like 2 years ago for fall and winter, it's too small. It's got like some sweaters for layering, because inside with the AC or during the winter time can be cold. Socks.
These are mine?
Yes. Oh, this unicorn shirt.
That's
but yeah,
for me?
Old Navy, everything was 40% off, so I just went crazy.
I love that.
I'm feeling like I went a little overboard right now. We got some leopard action. Zara is great for sets. We got a little striped sweater, and this is just a basic long sleeve. And then we did get her some outdoor clothes, because honestly, sizes go quick. Do you like this? Do you like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Rain jacket.
Why rain jacket?
Rain pants.
Why rain pants?
And a little pink beanie. Or toque, as we call it.
I got so many socks.
Long sleeve. Those are tights. Those are to wear like under your dress or skirt. Another set from Zara. Fruit. Like, get out of here. Are you kidding me? It's so cute. And
after it rains,
a lavender shirt. We did get some stuff from Target. These are kind of just like lounging around clothes. And apparently more socks and tights.
My socks tight?
Yeah. Okay, then let's show the shoes.
These are good. My socks.
All right, for shoes, we got 2 pairs of shoes. We got a pair of Pumas and a pair of Skechers because we got to do like the indoor outdoor shoes. And then she does have a pair of rain boots that still fit her. And then come winter, we'll have to probably buy a new pair of winter boots. These are so cute. It's skort, so it looks like a skirt, but it's actually just shorts. And she'll be able to wear these fall, winter, spring, just because we can layer them with tights. And then these are from Old Navy. How stinking cute are those? These actually remind me of a pair of Doc Martens that my mom got Sage a couple years ago. They're too small now, but are those cool?
Why is it too small?
Just like fun boots that you can wear outside. So anyways, we're gonna take tags off, try some stuff.
No, I
see what fits. You don't want to try today? Okay.
I'm sure I try one.
You gonna try some stuff on? Okay.
Yeah, but...
Wow, the pants look great. Okay, go show Daddy. I know.
That's adorable. Let me see.
What do we think? That will probably carry her into some of winter. Wow. That's so cute. I'm slightly embarrassed of how overkill this is. I just want to organize it into categories like long sleeves, pants, socks and stuff so I can see how much we have of everything and if we have to return anything. Oh, can we try this dress? It's the dresses and stuff I want to make sure we try on because she might not like them. Look at how adorable this looks. I love it. Look at the sleeve. Is it comfy? Thumbs up?
Thumb up.
Thumbs up. Okay, go show Daddy. He's got to give the final approval. I picked all this stuff out, so I want Matt to feel involved. This one was like $10 H&M. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my God, you're so big. I'm basically just living vicariously through Sage because I miss back to school shopping. Okay, go show that one to Daddy.
I go and hide over there.
Okay. You look like a leopard.
Leopard. I go and hide.
I like it. Oh, can I take a photo of you?
Sure, but it doesn't go pose. Okay, then I go and hide.
Okay, go show Daddy. Go show Daddy. So I have everything laid out here by like type. This is like sweaters, more sweaters, cardigans, leggings, undershirts, and keeping in mind that she has to have like extras at school and stuff in case there's like an accident. These are sweatpants, sockies, we got the shoes, 3 dresses, a skirt. All right, and this is all Oakley stuff, which I'm gonna do a full haul of on my Instagram and TikTok, so follow me there. Lots of cute stuff. Some of this is even for like 18 months, so I just saw some cute stuff and good prices, so I picked it up. Okay, I think we did good. Matt said it's not crazy, so I feel better. We're returning that stuff. Some of that's doubles. Like I said, I found better prices online. Comment down below, did I go overboard? Honestly, she hasn't said no to anything, so I think we're good. Now I gotta take the tags all off. We gotta wash it and get it into her room. So Oakley's been napping this entire time, which has been perfect. I thought he was gonna wake up halfway through, and like I gave all the boxes to Matt to break down. So just got back from the grocery store. It is the night before school, so we're gonna do a really easy pizza night tonight. Got some dough. Okay, I'm gonna do this really quick because Sage has her music playing and copyright issues. I love these for turkey slices. I'm probably gonna do a lot of sandwiches. I saw my friend Joy from Joy's Health said this is a great brand for cheddar cheese. We got some olives. I thought I could do like some little like protein charcuterie snacks. Bob's Snail was on sale. That kind of rhymed. I always like to look for an avocado oil when it comes to mayonnaise. I got some of our stuff. I'm gonna try to give this to Oakley. This mango yogurt, really good, really great ingredients. Broccoli, apples, onions. This is a great fruit snack, great ingredients. Sage really likes them, we already opened them. Coconut sugar, I'm gonna bake some stuff this weekend. She loves these, toasted seaweed snacks. I also look for the ones with good oils, either coconut, olive, or avocado. We got some leave-in conditioner spray to do her hair tomorrow. My herbal coffee. Okay, so just putting the music back on. Anyways, just a quick overview. Let me know if you want a full healthy snacks haul coming soon. Good morning! I feel like it's Christmas. You feel like it's Christmas? Sagey officially starts school today. I'm gonna be crying, I'll just forewarn you. I realized that I didn't have one of those like cute signs that says first day of school, so I ordered one on Amazon. It's from a small shop. I'll link the shop down below. They're a small business.
I thought it was one of those ones you see that all the parents use where it's like favorite food, favorite this.
Like a chalkboard. I know, I wanted to keep it simple. And I can use that for both kids, and it's not gonna be too kiddish when she gets older. It's just like a simple, like, not letterboard style. I thought it was cute. And I like that it was smaller because some of them are so big and they cover like their entire body. So I wanted it to be smaller. I'm making the blueberry coconut baby cakes from the Baby HealthNut cookbook. I'll link that down below for Oakley. And then for Sage, we're doing bacon, and she might have some of these too.
I don't know.
Look at you being crafty. Can I see?
It's so small. It's made for little hands.
Nuts on the bacon. Sage's favorite food. Hi. Good morning. You don't get to go to school. You gotta stay home with us. I know, it's not as much fun. This guy's favorite thing to do is just to play with all of his big sister's toys. This is a second child thing. They don't want to play with baby toys. They want to play with big kid toys. He just wants to go for the camera. First day of school!
First day is school.
You're going to school? You're going to school! Let's go get ready. Daddy made bacon. Daddy made bacon. Yes? Nice.
Look at that.
I like it. Your lunchbox?
Wow! This is your first day of school outfit? I like it.
Okay, watching dancing.
Breakfast for Oakley, breakfast for Sage.
No breakfast to Daddy.
Did you eat it all?
All right, extra clothes. Okay, we gotta make your lunch. Sage's hair is done.
I want this.
This is what we have in the first one, a little charcuterie board style, and then bringing some crack. You can bring your phone, that's fine.
Okay.
We have some homemade sourdough pizza from last night, apples, and one of these little snail fruit snacks. I opened the packing up so she can open it. Okay, we gotta go.
You're gonna have so much fun with them.
And just like that, our first baby started school. I legit ugly cried after I saw her walk into the building. Like, they were all lined up in, once they got past like the gates into the courtyard area, they're all lined up against the brick wall, and you could tell they're just like, what is happening? Sage was just looking around and stuff, so confused, but she was calm, like she was just aware of her surroundings. I was kind of peeking in on her, but I was like around a bunch of parents, so she couldn't really see me, and I was just making sure she was okay, but I also didn't want her to like see me and lock eyes with me and be like, "Mommy, get me." Like, she was calm the entire time. Like, she's been so excited to go to school since like the spring, really. It's been on her mind, and this morning she was like, "The school's finally open." Like, we keep saying it's closed, and so anyways, as soon as she went in, I like ugly cried. And so I had my big sunglasses on. Even when I went back to Matt, because he was like with Oakley on the side, he said he got a little watery-eyed too. So if Matt got watery-eyed, I swear, leave it to Sage to make Matt tear up, because he is not like one of those people that show like emotions and stuff. I've seen him cry like 3 times in my entire life. It's emotional dropping your kid off to school. I don't know, in my head all summer I thought it's no different than daycare, like I'll be fine. No, it's different. And this morning was kind of like rushed. Like we took our time. Sage was in a good mood, but like near the end I was like, I gotta do her lunch. And you know, and then all of a sudden like we took some photos. We took more photos at the school. A really nice mom offered to take a family photo of us. It just happened so fast, and you drop them off and then you're like, you're walking out and you see like every parent crying. You see everyone like wiping their eyes, and I'm like, okay, I don't feel silly because I'm ready to ugly cry right now. Our little girl just like feels like she just grew up, and like it's true what they say. You will always see, I feel like Sage is only 3.5, like she'll be 4 in a couple months, but I feel like you always just look at your babies as like a little baby, you know? It doesn't matter how old they are. You just like look at Sage and like, you're just like this little baby to me. I'm so proud of her. She is such a confident little girl. She's gonna make friends. Like, she is not shy. And I know like she's so excited for school. Like she wasn't nervous at all today. She just kept asking like, are you and Daddy coming to school with me? I said, we're dropping you off and then we're picking you up. I explained it to her. So she was a little concerned about that, but otherwise she was so excited, like packing her lunch up this morning. And I'm really proud of you, Sage, if you ever watch this. I just love you so much, and I love being your mom. Okay. Happy first day of school. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and TikTok because I'm going to be sharing what I'm packing for Sage's lunch. I love packing lunches, and I know a lot of parents need ideas, so I'm happy to share what we're doing if it gives you some inspiration. Happy back to school to all your little ones. I hope they have a safe and calm and happy introduction if it's their first year or if it's their second year. I feel like every September is always a little bit nerve-wracking because it's like a new class and new people maybe, so maybe a new school. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna spend the rest of the day crying and thinking about how my little girl is so grown up. So 3 o'clock is gonna come way too soon, and I can't wait to pick her up and hear about her day. Did you have fun at school?
Yeah.
Yeah. My big girl. My big girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Everything Sage ate. This is her big lunchbox. She had some, did you have some carrots? Strawberries. She's going to have some of that. And then this is her other one. She ate all of her pizza. She had her mozzarella, little fruit snack, and some apples. She's gonna have some now and snack on that. We're gonna make some pasta and sausages for dinner.
Some people don't want that.
Some people don't want that?